welcome back. Today we're making a really fun and delicious treat, chocolate swirl meringues. I'm really excited to make this. It's really easy, only a few ingredients, and they're super delicious. So, let's get baking. We're going to start by separating 3 egg whites and pouring them into a larger bowl. We're going to start whisking our egg whites, and as soon as they start to foam and form soft peaks, we're going to add in 3/4 cup of sugar a little bit at a time until it's fully incorporated. After whipping this for a little bit, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 1/2 teaspoon of white wine vinegar, and then we'll whisk this together until it forms stiff peaks or the egg whites don't move when you tip the bowl over. Now we're going to melt 3/4 cup of chocolate in the microwave for 30-second intervals, and we're going to stir it thoroughly each time we take it out of the microwave to make sure we don't burn the chocolate at all. Once the chocolate is melted, we're going to add it into our meringue, and we will stir it very briefly. We do not want to mix it in completely. We want it to have a marbled look to it. Now we're going to line a sheet pan with parchment paper, and we will dish out our meringue with a large soup spoon. We'll bake this at 210 degrees for 1 hour. So here's the final product. I really love the sort of marbly look they have to them when you mix in the chocolate. So let's take a bite. It's very sweet. The chocolate is really delicious. We use bittersweet chocolate for this, so it works really well with the very sweet meringue. And it's got a nice crust around the outside, and then the inside is very soft, and it just melts in your mouth. So that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to see more baking videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy New Year! The director's doing baking stuff. Yay! He's qualified to film this now. Yay! He doesn't suck. Because it says, until stiff peaks form, or you flip it over and it doesn't move. Is it moving?
Wait.
I'm scared.
It's not moving.
It's not?
No.
Guys, I didn't mess it up. What are you doing? I wish you guys could see what the director does the whole time I'm filming. What kind of dance is that?
Take you over to start it.
I did not. Go away.
Marker.
Chocolate swirl meringues. They're really fun, really easy to make, and it's basically just a bunch of waiting.
They're in the background.
Happy New Year! Good.